Hello children of sun. Today I'm on the islands again, and this time I am on the Flipp Island in South Carolina. I'm heading to a 3-night retreat with my activation person Lisa, and I'm just stopping real quick to show you around this beautiful nature viewing area. I saw some dolphins just a few minutes ago. The nature here is just thriving. I know you can't see it, but there's some pelican in the water, some other lizards. I even found a snake skin. Check this out. There's some lizard kind of creatures running around. There they are, if you can see them. Right there. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Never been in this area before, and I look forward to spend some time with enlightened people, to elevate even higher, to spend more time in the nature, on the water. I hope you can feel the vibrations here, so calm and peaceful. Thank you for tuning in, and have a blessed day.